Hello my dear friends, welcome to another video. In this video I'll show you how to easily recover your Facebook account step by step. It's as easy as a piece of cake. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is close your Facebook app because we not be using it. Instead, you'll need to access any browsers. You can use Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox or any other browsers of your choice. Once you've opened the browsers, access a new incognito tab. This type of tab won't track any data. In the search bar, type google.com and tap Go. Next, you'll need to search for Facebook support account. Tap on the option that says Help Center in the search results. In the Help Center, look for the section related to login and password issues. Click on Fix a login problem. Scroll down until you find the option Enable to reset password because of password reset limit and tap on it. Now click on the blue option that say Recover your account. This will take you to the Facebook account recovery page. Follow these step-by-step instruction provided on the page. If your account is associated with a mobile number, enter it. If not, you can search by email or name instead. Facebook will ask you some questions to verify your identity. Answer them accordingly. Each answer may vary depending on your specific situation. Thanks you for watching. Until the next video.